Today's Leetcode problem of the day is the longest balanced subarray 1. So we are given a subarray and we need to check if it's balanced or not. A subarray is balanced if it has equal number of distinct even numbers and odd numbers. Let's look here. The numbers are 2, 5, 4, 3. There are two distinct even numbers and two distinct odd numbers. So the whole array is balanced. But let's look at the third example. 1, 2, 3, 2. So we have two distinct odd numbers but only one distinct even number. So we can't, the whole array is not balanced. Only 2, 3, 2. This part has one distinct odd number and one distinct even number. We have two 2's, so only one distinct even number. So that's balanced. So the hint says to use brute force. So let's do it in the brute force way. Okay, well, let's first take the length of the array. We will try to check every possible subarray in the given array. So let's take two for loops. The time complex will be O of n square, but since we are just beginners, it's okay to solve it in O of n square. The necessary thing is to do it, to solve the problem. So let's take two hash sets to keep track of the distinct even numbers and distinct odd numbers. We don't want any repetitions, so we'll take a set instead of hash map. So let's take an even hash set, and for odd numbers another hash set. Okay, let's initiate another for loop inside our for loop. So this will iterate over the inside numbers from j equals to I to j equals to n. So if the number is divisible by 2, it's even number, and we will add it to the even hash set. If it's not divisible by 2, then we can easily add it to the odd numbers hash set. So by this we will have track of all the distinct even numbers and distinct odd numbers till this index. Okay, and if the size of even hash set and odd hash set is same, that means our subarray is balanced. So if even dot size equals to odd dot size, our subarray is balanced. And what we'll do next is we'll check if our current size is the maximum of the older size and the current size. So if our current size is the maximum, then we'll update max size to the current size, that is j minus I plus 1, and then we'll return max size. Okay, let's run this code, and it's accepted as always. Now submit. Wow, 77% with brute force. That's good. Thank you.